as Jason's job this morning. What we got ourselves? Got ourselves some brake fluid. Good stuff, RBF 600. And then we've got the yellow stuff. We've got the yellow speed big brake upgrade kit for the FN2. So obviously we sell these, so if anyone needs these, give us a shout. Got some, looks like EBC yellow stuff pads. Yeah, good stuff. That's looking nice, ain't it? That'll certainly give them some more stopping power. Morning, Jason. Shalom. Morning, Richard. Your Supra's still running, brother. I can hear it. I think there's people in neighbouring villages that can hear it as well.
Sorry, mate. Didn't realise you were the noise police.
Well, Jason's given me the nod, and here they are. He's test fitted a wheel to make sure it clears, and it just about does. That's very pretty, isn't it? Very pretty. If you want some of these, let me know. We'll sort you out. But yeah, it's well nice, that. Nice braided line there, isn't it? Very good, very good. Yeah, let's take some photographs, I guess.